cafe's all the way up there. I'm puffing real bad right now. Almost there, I think, right? Ay. No, we're not. Okay, here's the view. My head! We're off the bus and now we're heading towards the cafe. We got quite a walk and a hike up a hill. Let's see if we'll make it.
Actually, there's like ways to get through the front. No, actually no, you have to hike up either way.
The cafe's all the way up there. Now we gotta walk up this big old hill. Huffing and puffing real bad right now. Almost there, I think, right? No, we're not. Let's cup this. I don't know if you saw that. Okay, here's the view. The river. We're going even higher inside to see if there's more. Let's see the person. Made it in. Oh wait, it's not showing your face. Hey, there we go. Made it in. And here's the view. Oh, conveyor belt sushi? Sure. We came to this cafe with a nice view of the Han River. It's because Elaine needed to do some work. Is it looking at you? Elaine needed to do some work. Gonna be doing something for her summer program, and I'm just gonna be chilling like a villain here. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Here's the decor. Elaine brought the goods. Matcha latte, and then we got chocolate chip, and Elaine got lemonade. Matcha latte and lemonade. How is it? Everyone's trying the chocolate chip cookie. I tried it, it's pretty good. Even though it's a little crunchy, it's still soft. Hey guys, so now we're exploring outside the cafe because Elaine finished cutting her McMouses. So here's the view. Wow, looks really nice. And then there's like a little fence right there where people do locks too. So maybe next time me and Elaine would get one from Daiso. Wow, really beautiful. And then the cafe we went to is right here. Really slippery right here. Elaine's down already. You see the streams of water coming down. It's a view. Here's Elaine. Okay, gotta get down safe, so peace out. We are actually going to the station to go to Hongdae to meet up with Elaine's friends and eat conveyor belt sushi. We on the way. Elaine's mapping it right now. Let's get it, let's go. Up in here, here's Elaine navigating. We'll go down. We just spent a few bucks at the arcade because we were trying to win this little otter pot. $5. Couldn't win it. This is Elaine's friend, Josh. Why are you blocking Chopper? What? Oh, now it's buzzing. Okay. Hey guys, so we just went to one of the cafes and got a little drink. Now we're on the way to a shopping plaza. Hey guys, so right now we're eating dinner at Myeongdong Koya, and that's our favorite spot right now because the noodles are the best.